Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an egg sandwich. First, gather your ingredients: 2 eggs, 2 slices of bread, 1 slice of cheese, and a small amount of butter. Next, place a non-stick pan on your stove and set the heat to medium-low. Then, lightly butter one side of each bread slice, preparing them for the pan and ensuring a golden crust. Now, crack 2 eggs directly into your preheated pan. Use a spatula to gently break the yolks and spread the egg whites out a bit, creating a larger surface area. Let the eggs cook for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, or until the whites are mostly set and the edges begin to crisp slightly. This ensures a quick and even cook. Once your eggs are nearly cooked, place the buttered side of your bread slices face down directly onto the pan, next to the eggs. Quickly place 1 slice of cheese on top of one of the egg halves. Then, carefully fold the other egg half over the cheese, creating a neat little egg and cheese packet. This step happens quite fast to keep everything warm and melty. Now, carefully place the folded egg and cheese directly onto one of the toasted bread slices. Take the second slice of bread and place it on top, with the buttered side facing up. Continue to cook the sandwich for another 1 to 2 minutes on each side, until both bread slices are golden brown and crispy. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious, easy egg sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.